Welcome to TribeTopper, the Algebra Series for MYP 4. We have Algebraic Identities question 4. Expand and simplify x square plus y square whole square. Now you see there are two terms already in square. So it doesn't matter. This still is comparable to the same identity as a plus b whole square, which will open up as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just that your a is x square and your b is y square. So this will open up as a square means x square whole square plus 2 times a, that is x square, times b is y square plus b square, that is y square whole square. So we get x square square means that is x to the power of 4 plus the product term is 2x square y square plus y square square gives me y to the power of 4. So we again applied the rule of a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square and squaring the terms.